It is raining profusely, like super bad rain. Iris and I are both under umbrellas. She's got Tink on, and we're headed still to get more food because, you know, we are champions. Iris is currently eating the mac and cheese, which I've already scarfed down because it's so good. This mac and cheese, it's called the creamy mac and cheese with garlic stuff, and it is literally the creamiest mac and cheese I've ever had. It's so good. It's good. And there's, I can't. It's amazing. What do you think?
I like it. It's really creamy. I like the elbow.
You heard it here first. You like the elbow pasta.
I like the crumble on top because it kind of tastes like they took some garlic croutons and just went like, smashed them and just went,
How did they do it? We're trying to figure out what we're going to do now because it's just really wet and there's so much rain. So everybody's leaving the park, which means the lines are going down. So we might ride some rides, like super fast, but it's also really wet.
So I'm really upset because they said it was going to stop raining at 5, but it's not 5, it's 7, and it's raining harder than when I got here, so I'm not happy. Hair's messed up, but I've accepted it.
It looks good.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I put my hat on because it was too wet, but now my hair is wet, and I feel like everything else is going to get wet, and Iris is wet. We're just, I have 2 pairs of pants on, too. We're on our favorite ride, The Little Mermaid. It's not our favorite ride, but it's a good ride. Oh no, pitch black. Ah!
One day when the boss get hungry, yes, you gonna be a big day. Under the sea, nobody beat us, fry us and eat us, intrigue us.
Our theme has gone from things to eat at the Disney Food and Wine Festival to rides we can ride very quickly that are also indoors because it's raining so hard. This is Michael. He's working on Monsters, Inc. He wants to say hi to everyone and tell you to come on Monsters, Inc. So do that. Come on Monsters, Inc. Michael on Monsters, Inc. We are now exiting DCA and heading over to Disneyland because there's more things over there with short wait times that are indoors. And we've run out of things with short wait times that are indoors here. Now we're waiting in line for Buzz Lightyear Star Command, and it's only a 5-minute wait. This is what happens when you're waiting in line and you score a fast pass that starts 5 minutes after you score it. We're now waiting for Star Tours. That's C-3PO. So we decided to get on the train at Tomorrowland. And there's Iris.
Oh, tired.
And we're the only ones here, and it's creepy. There's no one else. It's like that scene from Totoro. So we just got stuck on Indiana Jones, so we're gonna call that a really great time to call it a night. And that's a wrap on Disneyland for us today. Until next time, stay classy.